Please subscribe to my channel by pressing the subscribe and bell notification. Follow me on Facebook and Instagram. You can search for me at sketchit.fun. Hi everyone, welcome back to sketchit.fun. Today, I'll be talking about the rectangle and rotated rectangle. Now, let's begin. So today, I'll be teaching you about the rectangle tool. So for the rectangle tool, is this icon, or the shortcut is R. So it works the same way as the line. You left click once, you drag, and you'll notice that the dimensions are changing here. And if you are satisfied with the size, you left click another time. So once you're done, your rectangle will be formed. So I've already shown you one way on how to use the rectangle tool. Here's the second way. So I'm gonna be drawing a smaller rectangle this time. So left click once and right click. Let's say I want it to be 1000 mm by 1000 mm. Remember, my default setting is already in mm. So by typing 1000, 1000, and I press enter, there you go, you get 1000 by 1000. So imagine if you want to work in meters, I can do the same thing. So I click my first point. As long as I don't click my second point, I can key in my dimensions. 1 meter, 1 meter. That will also give me 1000 mm by 1000 mm. So if you measure again, see? You can even work in inches and feet. Let's try it for 1 feet. So again, you select rectangle, click on the first point, then you type 1 hyphen, 1 hyphen, and that will give you 1 feet. 1 feet is around 25 cm. And if you want it to be inches, do the same thing. 1 click. Okay, 1 feet is 12 inches, right? So 12 inch, semicolon, 12 semicolon. Enter. So it's around 1 feet as well. And guess what? You can also key in cm. So left click once, then 1 meter is 100 cm. So 100 cm, 100 cm. See? It's a bit further away, that's why it looks smaller, but it's still the same dimension. So you can use mm, cm, meters, inch, and feet. In this part, I'll be teaching you about the rotated rectangle. So the rotated rectangle is this one. So here you go. So when you first select it, it'll ask you to choose your first point. Then after that, you choose your second point. So if you look from the side, you can actually select an angle. And voila, you got a slanted rotated rectangle. So an alternative way to do this is you select your first point and you select your second point, and as you're moving up, if you tap on alternate, you're setting your new base. Your zero starts from after the point when you tap alternate. Then if you're happy with this, you left click. Okay, so I've already covered how to use rectangle in 2 ways, and I also taught you how to use the rotated rectangle. So last time we asked you to draw a home with only the line tool. Guess what? Today you'll be learning how to draw this building or this shed with only the rectangle and rotated rectangle tool. So let's begin the challenge. Alright, so now your 3 minutes have run out. Don't worry, I'll show you how it's done. So, following the rules that I set for you guys, only using the rectangle and rotated rectangle. For rectangle, we draw the base first. Then immediately after that, we'll start to draw the walls with the rotated rectangle too. So you see, that's side 1, there's gonna be side 2, side 3, and lastly, side 4. Voila! You've got all the sides. And now, let's draw the roof. Select point 1, select point 2, then I'll tap on alternate, then I'll move it up. Now, here, point 1, point 2, tap on alternate, and there you go. That's how you do it. And I did it without even having to orbit, but of course you can orbit if you want. Okay, I understand. Just in case any of you can't do this properly, don't worry, that's why I created this video. You can actually keep replaying and trying. I practiced many times before I got to the level that I am right now. So don't give up, just keep trying. Okay. Alright, thank you for staying till the end of this video. The next video, I'll be showing you how to use the push and pull tool. It's a tool that is unique to Sketchup and it's patented by Sketchup. And at that time, right, everybody was into AutoCAD, so it was all 2D, but Sketchup, right, they set the precedence for 3D with push and pull. I really love this tool very much. Okay, till next time. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to my channel by pressing the subscribe and bell notification. Follow me on Facebook and Instagram. You can search for me at sketchit.fun.